Hi guys, in this video we are talking about how to make money on Fiverr. If you work remotely and know how to make money on Fiverr, your earning potential to in endless. With Fiverr, you can travel anywhere you want in the world while putting your skill to use, and of course get paid. Despite what you think, you can earn way more than $5 a job with the Fiverr. Some freelancers are paid hundred and even thousands of dollars. So as you can see, Fiverr in famous $5 reputation is thankfully long gone. Listen up, digital nomads, travelers, and job seekers. Fiverr is a great way to utilize your skill while earning a bite of extra cash on this side. So let's dive a bite deeper and earn and learn how to make money on Fiverr. So how does Fiverr work? Do you have a special talent or skill that other would find useful? Maybe you're good at designing logos, website or wedding invitation or prefers you can help businesses with their social media or HR strategy. Whatever your talent is, Fiverr gives you to opportunity to share those skills with the rest of the online world. And best of all, you can make money while doing you have love. The process of finding Fiverr jobs is fairly straightforward, but first it's important to other important to understand the two different parties involved in the transaction. Here's how Fiverr works. So, sellers, if you are a freelancer looking for work, then you are what Fiverr. Consider a seller. A seller can list any type of service that they want along with how much they would like to be paid. Your chances of being hired depend on your experience in your industry and your experience on Fiverr. Buyers, if you are looking to purchase our services, you are the buyer. A buyer has something they need to be completed, whatever is its specific task, job of a project. They can